In Washington, D.C., sliding glass door replacement is essential for homes and businesses that rely on smooth, secure, energy-efficient patio access. From Sliding Glass Doors Washington, D.C. and Sliding Patio Door Replacement Washington, D.C. to Residential Sliding Glass Door Replacement Washington, D.C. and Commercial Sliding Glass Door Service Washington, D.C. Local property owners need fast service for worn rollers, cracked glass, damaged tracks, and doors that no longer glide properly. Capitol Hill, Georgetown, and Dupont Circle property owners often need neighborhood-specific sliding door solutions that match older architecture and modern performance standards. Whether you need sliding glass door replacement Capitol Hill, Washington, D.C., sliding patio door service Georgetown, Washington, D.C., or glass door replacement Dupont Circle Washington, D.C., experienced sliding glass door contractors Washington, D.C. can restore function, curb appeal, insulation, and safety. A stuck or dragging patio door can quickly become a daily frustration in busy Washington, D.C. properties. Stuck sliding glass doors Washington, D.C., stuck patio door replacement Mount Pleasant, Washington, D.C., and sliding door alignment service Washington, D.C. help correct doors that scrape, jam, tilt, or refuse to open and close smoothly due to foundation movement, worn wheels, dirty tracks, or misaligned panels. Rollers and wheels are some of the most common failure points in any patio door system across Washington, D.C. Glass door roller replacement Washington, D.C., sliding door wheel replacement Washington, D.C., sliding door roller replacement Adams Morgan, Washington, D.C., and sliding door wheel replacement Kalorama Washington, D.C. are popular services because damaged rollers cause noise, resistance, uneven movement, and excess wear on the track and frame. Track problems can make even a high-quality sliding door unusable if left untreated in Washington, D.C. weather conditions. Sliding door track replacement Washington, D.C., patio door track replacement Washington, D.C., and sliding door track replacement Southeast Washington, D.C. address bent rails, corroded channels, debris buildup, and cracked track systems that prevent smooth door travel and can damage rollers over time. Security matters for every residential and commercial sliding door installation in Washington, D.C. neighborhoods. Sliding door lock replacement Washington, D.C., sliding door lock replacement Southwest Washington, D.C., sliding door handle replacement Washington, D.C., and sliding door handle replacement Woodley Park, Washington, D.C. restore proper locking, latching, and gripping functions so property owners can protect entrances without sacrificing convenience or style. Glass damage requires prompt attention to maintain safety, weather protection, and appearance in Washington, D.C. Broken sliding glass replacement Washington, D.C., patio door glass replacement Washington, D.C., patio door glass replacement Shaw, Washington, D.C., and sliding door panel replacement Washington, D.C. are ideal for cracked, fogged, shattered, or inefficient glass panels that reduce security and energy performance in both condos and commercial spaces. Installation services are just as important as replacements for remodeling projects and property upgrades throughout Washington, D.C. Sliding glass door installation Washington, D.C., patio door installation Northwest Washington, D.C., sliding glass door installation Cathedral Heights, Washington, D.C., and custom sliding glass door service Washington, D.C. help homeowners and business owners choose durable, attractive door systems built for local architecture, traffic demands, and seasonal climate changes. Preventive care keeps patio doors operating longer and reduces the risk of sudden breakdowns in Washington, D.C. Sliding glass door maintenance Washington, D.C., sliding glass door tune-up Washington, D.C., sliding door maintenance Navy Yard, Washington, D.C., and sliding glass door tune-up Petworth, Washington, D.C. typically include cleaning tracks, adjusting alignment, lubricating moving parts, inspecting weather seals, and checking rollers, locks, and handles. Weather resistance is a major concern for patio doors exposed to heat, humidity, rain, and winter drafts in Washington, D.C. Sliding door weather stripping Washington, D.C., sliding door weather stripping Glover Park, Washington, D.C., sliding door seal replacement Washington, D.C., and sliding glass door maintenance Washington, D.C. help improve insulation, block moisture intrusion, reduce outside noise, and support better indoor comfort year-round. Screen door replacements are frequently requested by residents who want fresh air without insects or debris entering their Washington, D.C. homes. Sliding screen door replacement Washington, D.C. and sliding screen door replacement Dupont Circle Washington DC restore torn mesh, bent frames, damaged rollers, and poor track movement so screen doors slide properly alongside the main glass door system. Commercial properties across downtown Washington, D.C. often depend on reliable sliding glass entrances for customer access and day-to-day operations. Commercial Sliding Glass Door Service Washington, D.C. and Commercial Sliding Glass Service Downtown Washington, D.C. support offices, restaurants, apartment buildings, retail storefronts, and mixed-use developments with replacements for tracks, locks, glass panels, door closers, and alignment issues. Emergency service is critical when a sliding glass door suddenly fails, breaks, or becomes unsafe in Washington, D.C. Emergency Sliding Door Replacement Washington, D.C. and Emergency Sliding Door Replacement Foggy Bottom Washington, D.C. provide urgent response for shattered panels, doors off track, failed locks, jammed patio doors, security concerns, and hazardous glass conditions that require immediate stabilization and replacement. Neighborhood homeowners from Columbia Heights to Brooklyn rely on specialized local service for aging and modern patio doors in Washington, D.C. Residential Patio Door Replacement Columbia Heights, Washington, D.C. Sliding Door Alignment Brooklyn, Washington, D.C. Sliding Patio Door Replacement Cleveland Park, Washington, D.C. and Glass Patio Door Replacement Tenleytown, Washington, D.C. each reflect the need for hyper-local expertise in historic row homes, condos, and newer residential developments. Door closers, seals, and hardware all affect how a sliding glass door performs in high-use Washington, D.C. properties. Sliding Door Closer Replacement Washington, D.C. Sliding Door Seal Replacement Washington, D.C. Sliding Door Handle Replacement Washington, D.C. and Sliding Door Lock Replacement Washington, D.C. improve usability, reduce slamming or sticking, and ensure that every opening and closing cycle remains controlled, quiet, and secure. Northwest, Northeast, Southwest, and Southeast Washington, D.C. all present different building styles and service needs for sliding patio door systems. Sliding Glass Door Replacement Northeast Washington, D.C. Patio Door Installation Northwest Washington, D.C. Sliding Door Lock Replacement Southwest Washington, D.C. and Sliding Door Track Replacement Southeast Washington, D.C. connect local customers with area-focused support for replacements, installations, track upgrades, and replacement hardware. Custom service is especially valuable when standard door parts or configurations do not fit the property in Washington, D.C. Custom Sliding Glass Door Service Washington, D.C. and Sliding Glass Door Contractors Washington, D.C. can help with oversized panels, specialty glass, difficult openings, historic property adaptations, commercial-grade systems, and tailored replacement solutions designed for appearance, safety, and smooth long-term performance. High-traffic areas and landmark-adjacent properties also need dependable, fast response for patio and glass door issues in Washington, D.C. Sliding Glass Door Replacement near National Mall, Washington, D.C. Patio Door Contractor Chevy Chase, Washington, D.C. Sliding Door Maintenance Navy Yard, Washington, D.C. and Emergency Sliding Door Replacement Foggy Bottom, Washington, D.C. support residents, property managers, and business owners who need efficient scheduling and reliable workmanship. Choosing complete sliding glass door replacement and installation service in Washington, D.C. helps protect your property value while improving convenience and energy efficiency. Whether you need sliding glass door replacement Washington, D.C., sliding patio door replacement Washington, D.C., glass door roller replacement Washington, D.C., sliding door track replacement Washington, D.C., patio door glass replacement Washington, D.C., or emergency sliding door replacement Washington, D.C., professional local service keeps every sliding glass doors Washington, D.C. operating safely, smoothly, and securely.